Good morning, everyone, and welcome into Awe Studio, Art with Everyone. And today I'm going to focus my work for the younger set. And we're going to do a wet on wet painting. So here you see I have the paper, and over here I've got the paints. We're just going to be using lemon yellow, carmine red, and Prussian blue today. And if you would like to review my other videos about how to stretch the wet watercolor paper and also how to prepare the wet on wet paints, that will be really helpful. And since it's such a beautiful, warm and sunny time now, we're going to do a warm sunrise. Okay, let's start with the warmth of the sun. And we just passed the summer solstice, and it was very, very warm here. And all the animals are enjoying it. We're just gonna let the yellow spread out all the way into the paper. And then just wash your brush off and open up your Prussian blue next. And we'll dip in there, and we'll just let that Prussian blue flow out onto the lower portion. When we get up here, we could just wave it a bit. This might be an ocean scene, or it could be a valley and hills. We don't know yet. Now I'm going to ask you to wash your brush off first in the one container of water and get it as clean as you can. You see, I still have some blue on my brush. And I'm wiping it on a white rag, and you can see a little bit of blue comes off every time. I'll finish by cleaning it off in the yellow water, and then I'm going to go back to the yellow, tilting the jar a little bit so I can get down to where the pigment is. And I'm going to create green hills down here. So I'm going to take my yellow, just let it spread out, and when I get up here, I'll just change the hills a bit so that I'm never doing the same thing exactly twice. And let's clean off again now, and we're going to go to the carmine red. We're not going to need very much of this because a little bit's going to go a long way. And let's see where we want our sunrise or sunset to be. We could put it here, or even here in the background. I think I'm going to go over here. And I wipe off some. And I just bring that gold into the background. Very free. Now you notice that it's very nice in color, but our sun might need a little bit more orangeness. So let's finally clean off our brushes again and take the yellow, tip it to the side so you can get that pigment in the bottom. And then we'll just put it on the sun. How lovely is that? You can add a little bit of brightness if you want. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you'll try it at home. My dog, Mr. Buttons, wanted to come down and see what we did. And you can review the steps in the video and create your own sunrise.